Hey guys, the pigeon guy here, back with another Young Bird series video. It's a new one I winged like 4 days ago, 3 days ago, 3 days ago. These others guys, they're outside chilling. So they flew in like 15 minutes outside this morning. So yeah, forgot to record that. My phone was, um, my phone died. So yeah, but anyways, they flew like for like 15 minutes. So they coming there, guys. They coming there, and yeah, they're still young though, so I don't expect them to fly 3 4 hours or like 2 hours. No, 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 no. Just like progress, like slow progress is better than nothing. You see, and like yeah, there's some two old birds outside, so they're just flying outside. I don't know. Maybe I'll show you guys. There they are, guys. Back to the young birds. Yeah, guys. That's how it is here. 15 minutes. So that's alright for me. And yeah. Then after that, then I feed him. So yeah, you can see my loft is a little bit dirty. I leave it so. That's how I raise my young birds. That's how I raise my young birds. So I don't clean for like a few weeks. So yeah, just clean where I walk. Like yeah, the and yeah, it's all. So a lot I don't clean. And yeah, guys. But thank you guys for watching. Always tuning into my videos and like, yeah, guys. Please stay tuned for more because some great things coming. Don't want to talk about it now, but yeah, you guys will see. See you guys in the next one, and hope you guys enjoyed this one. Can see that.